It's birds' playtime, but it's been a few hours, so I guess they got a little tired of it. And can you believe one bird went into carrier all by himself? Let's take a look. Hello. Hi. What's up? Why do you want to engage yourself? Well, as you can see, this is their playpens, and they were running around, flying around, but this one, I guess, just got tired. He went into the carrier that I used to travel with them with. Oh, yawning too. Okay, and a few of them went to the windowsill. Let's see if I can get a good shot. Hi, hi, want to say hi? Hi, hi, hi. And there is one more that is hiding and thinking I'm not aware, but I am. Hiding behind the vacuum. Hello, Queenie. Queenie, why are you hiding here? Got bored of playing? Queenie. Okay, Queenie. Queenie, come here. Queenie. Queenie. Okay. Queenie. Okay. Hi, Queenie. Hi, Queenie. Queenie. Okay, I guess Queenie is content being on the rope. Hi, Queenie. Okay.